Friends, let's see today what we're gonna practice in AutoCAD. Today we're gonna practice how to design a 3D nut and bolt. Let's open a new workspace by clicking the plus over here. It will create a new workspace. As usual, after opening the workspace, we're gonna check our units by giving command U and space. Type decimal, precision 0.0, units millimeter, okay. Then we're gonna create a layer LA space. Just click it over here. We're gonna give it as bolt. By clicking the green color tick, it will change to current layer. Just close the tab. Now we're gonna draw a circle. C space X coordinate 0 tab, Y coordinate 0 space. Now we're gonna mention radius 12 space. To repeat the command, just press space bar. We're gonna give X space 0 tab, Y 0 space radius 8 space. By double clicking the scroll button, the drawing will be in center. Okay, now we're gonna change the view cube to front view. Now it is an XZ axis. Now we're gonna change to XY axis by clicking the icon over here. We're gonna change align XY plane. It has changed to XY axis. Now we're gonna copy CO space, click the object over here space, left click in the mouse, just drag downward to 9.5 mm. Okay, now just click the over here. We're gonna erase the radius 8. Okay, now we're gonna draw the polygon by giving command POL space. We need 6 number of sides. Enter number of sides is 6 space. Coordinates x0 tab y0 space. Just give about circle radius of 12. Now we're going to do extrude over here. EXT space. Click the polygon space. Drag to downward to 9.5 mm. Now we're going to give chamfer over here to the corners. So now we're going to extrude the circle. EXT space. Click the circle over here space. Move downwards. In case if you see the downward, it shows taper angle. We can by clicking this one, or we can give command T. Okay, in case if it extend to inward direction, the degree will be in positive. In case if extend outward direction, degree will be in minus negative. So I'm gonna give minus 60 degree. Okay, now I'm gonna give INT intersect. Just click both the object over here space. Okay, in case the length is 9.5, in case the after giving minus 60, the length, in case if I give 8 or 7.5, the remaining 1 or 1.5 will be cut. The section will be in cut position. For example, okay, let's do extrusion space T for taper angle minus 60, 7.8. okay, same we're gonna give intersect. Click the both objects at the same time. Just click it over. Have you seen the section will be in cut? The section will be cutted. So for example, if you're gonna give 9.5, if you're gonna use taper angle, just give more than 9.5. The value may be level or 12. Okay, Control Z. Ext space taper angle minus 60. Okay, intersect. Same, you're going to repeat the command in downward. Just click the circle over here space T for taper angle minus 60. We're going to give command intersect. Just click both the object over here space. Okay, now the bolt head we have designed. Now we're going to design bottom layer over here. EXT space, click the radius 8 circle space, move downwards to 50 mm. Okay, now the bolt outer have been readied. Now we're gonna make a thread over here. Before creating a thread, we have to give a guideline. For that, we're gonna give helix, HELIX space. Just click center over here. we're gonna give radius 8. Same, we're gonna give 8 space. Click the turn height, we're gonna give value 2 mm. Just drag upward. In this we have entered the value 8 two times. For example, if you're gonna give a helix layer for in a triangle means sense bottom it may be 8, just give 8. In case the top is diet 2 sense, just give diet 2 or radius 2. Okay, okay, just click the front over here, change to XY axis by clicking the icon over here. Now we gonna draw a circle. Okay, sorry, now we're gonna draw a object over here to make thread. For that, L space, we're gonna give value 1.75. L space, click the object over here, we're gonna give 1.56, sorry, 1.5, 156 space. Just make a triangle over here. Okay, click the center, E for erase. Now we're going to give radius F space R space 0.3 space. First object, second object. Okay, now we're going to make it single by giving command J space, sorry, J space, click the entire object space. Now it has been become change single. Okay, now we're going to use command sweep as W E E P space. Click the object space, just click the travel path. In case if you giving sweep command, it will take some times, so just wait for a sec. Okay, the object have been traveled in our guideline. Just change 2D wireframe to shades of gray, it will be easy to for us to see. Okay, now we're gonna use subtract command, SUB space. Click the object over here, inner object, sorry, SUB space. Click the object over here, space, click the helix space. Now the thread have been designed. Okay, now bolt is ready. Now we're gonna design net. So we're gonna give command LA space, click the new object over here, we're gonna give net. By clicking green color tick, it will change to current layer. Just close the object over here. Okay, now just change unnamed to WCS, go to front view or top view. Okay, now we're gonna draw a circle. In this, for example, if you're gonna design a bolt and nut, the dia of the bolt head will be equal to the nut size. Okay, so C space, left click the circle, we're gonna give radius 12, polygon, 6 faces, click the center point, about circle, radius 12. Okay, home screen, same front view, change to XY axis, change this one to parallel. We're gonna copy to 13 mm. Home screen, just click the polygon over here, E for escape. We're gonna do extrude to 13 mm. For our convenient, just click the object, change to 2D wireframe, EXT space, click the circle, space, T for taper angle, -60, INT intersect, click the both object at a time, space, same EXT space, click the circle over here, space, T for taper angle, -60 value. We're gonna give command intersect space, click the both object at a time. Okay, now we're gonna give how to say, now we're gonna make a hole and we're gonna give thread. But to make it easy, just copy the object over here, just move it over here, we will get our center point. Pick the object, just move over here, just place it over here, Now change to XY axis, M space, pick the object space, move downward to some particular angle, length. Now we're gonna use subtract. Click the object space, click the thread over here space. Now the thread have been appeared. Now just change 2D wireframe to realistic to know CO space. Click the nut over here. Just drag it over here. Front view. Now we're gonna slice the object to see the thread. Erase. Click the home screen over here. Have you seen the thread over here? Okay. Click it E for erase. Now there are two objects over here. In 3D, if you're gonna make multi objects into single, we're gonna give command union space. Click the two objects. Sorry, union. Click the two object space. Now change to single object. Now we're gonna add a material. MAT space. Click the material library over here. Just move to metal. We're gonna give aluminum dark, or we can give aluminum cast over here. In case if you need any other material, you can add. Up to you. The nut and bolt we have designed. Thanks, friends.